Back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hi, I'm Lexi. Nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel. I pretty much just do a lot of business videos, DIYs, question and answer. I'm trying to get more like, you know, more about myself on here as well, so you guys can get to know me. But yeah, if you've never been here before, by the way, you might hear my daughter in the background. She's in all of my videos, and let me turn you guys down a little bit. But yeah, she's always in all my videos because she doesn't know what a bedtime is, and yeah, that's just that. But yeah, so as you read from the title, I am going to be showing you everything that I use to start my press-on nail business. I have my own business as is, and then I just started doing them as well, just to take up another like side hustle. Surprisingly, they sell very well because especially with COVID and everything, a lot of people don't want to go in a nail salon, which I don't blame them. Not just because of COVID, but because then you have to wear your mask inside the nail salon, all that stuff. And a lot of people don't like doing that. So let's jump into this video. But first off, you're going to need some nails, some press-on nails. These I got off Amazon. I'm going to link everything in the description box below with the link as well. I believe this was like $9 or something, but these are the nails you use. They are literally like this. This is a press-on set right here. They're literally this shape right here. You can get square shaped. These are already coffin shaped, which is awesome because a lot of people already get coffin shaped. And yeah, so you don't really have to shape it. But they have a whole bunch of different sizes, extra long ones, all that stuff. So pretty much I just get off Amazon and they come the next day or the next day or two. Okay, the second thing you're going to need is these little magnetic nail things. They are magnetic, so you take them off and they magnetize to the bottom here. And don't mind, these are really dirty. They're full of paint and glue and all that nasty stuff. But yeah, this is pretty much where you place your nails at, and you pretty much just paint them on here. While we're talking about this, you're going to need sticky tack or putty or whatever. It's like this one's like a 3M like brand, I want to say, but it's like all mixed up. I mixed them all together. This is like all I have left, so I have to order more. It's like literally like $1.99 for a huge pack of it. But yeah, you pretty much like this. See this? You stick it on here, and then you stick the nail on there, and then you paint it like so. So that is the third thing you're going to need. Okay, the fourth thing you're going to need is like a nail file or a nail buffer. I have an electric nail filer as well, which you don't technically need it. It just is faster. But honestly, using something like this, these are like, I think you get like a big old pack of these for like $4 or $5 on Amazon. Girl, I get everything from Amazon, so just warning you. But and this I got from Walmart. I think it was like $1. But yeah, pretty much you just buff the nail up before you paint it. And yeah, that's all it pretty much does. And then plus, like when you're painting it, sometimes at the end of it, it gets like, you know, you want to file it when you're done, because not always does it get like a straight edge. So you just use this to pretty much just, you know, get a straight nail file and make sure everything is even. Okay, I believe we are on the fifth thing you need to get for a press-on nail business. This is the fifth thing. Nail polish, of course. I get the Beatles brand. This is just one nail polish. So pretty much I did get like a 25, no, maybe not. Maybe like a 24 pack color, which it comes like with like smaller bottles. It comes with like a whole bunch of different colors, just so you can like, you know, get your foot in the door or whatever, so you don't gotta like get really big bottles and like waste a whole bunch of money if you don't like them colors. So I got like a big old pack for like, I believe like $28 or something like that, maybe even cheaper, but it came with a whole bunch of different colors. I'm gonna link everything in the description box. Like, oh, I really just want to do a whole bunch of nude nails. Make sure you get base nail polish. This is like the first thing you put on nails before you even put nail polish on it. And then also top gel. You can get matte or gel, just like regular finish. So yeah, so if you just wanted to this came with the whole set of colors I got, but I'm just saying if you want to just like get white, black, nude nail polish just to start, make sure you get a base and a like top coat. Okay, so the sixth and last thing you're going to need just to like start the nail business is a UV lamp. I went the cheap way and got a $10 little lamp, and like honestly it took forever to cure my nail polish. Like I don't know, maybe it's just like the brand, but like I think it's like $21, and this bad boy, my nail polish dries in like 10-15 seconds, not like 15-20 seconds. So yes girl, try not to go the cheap way. I try to go the cheap way with everything. Just especially with just like one of these, just do the $20 one. I'm gonna link it in the description box. So yeah, make sure you get you a UV lamp so then it cures the nail polish. Side note guys, if you want to like add a little bit of rhinestones, of course these are on Amazon as well. I get like rhinestone nail glue, and like you can get like a set of this and then like some little tape things, like a whole bunch of little like nail things for like $6 or $7 with the rhinestone nail glue, which is awesome because it dries under the UV lamp as well. So yeah guys, I just wanted to put that out. So when I was starting my nail business, I didn't really know how to like package everything, so I'm gonna throw that stuff in here as well for you guys. I believe I got a bulk of these for like 25 of these for like 19 bucks or something. But I've seen people also, they take holographic bags and they put like cardstock in there and use the double-sided tape as well, and like that works just as well. But I don't know, I just like this look, and you can get like almost any color box you want. So yeah, that's how this is like what I put the double-sided tape in, which I'll be showing you next what the double-sided tape looks like. So guys, this is the second thing you're gonna need, and it's got fuzzies and stuff on it. But this is the double-sided tape. The 3-pack of these was like $6 or $7, and it came with these little plastic things. You don't need these, but if you do end up buying these, this comes with it. Pretty much what I do is I just like I tape one side down, and then I take the other side of the red off and I stick it down in the box, and then I put another piece of tape on the other side, and then I take off the red piece. And then so once you do that, the nails will be stuck inside the box like I show them like a picture. I'll put a picture up right here. So pretty much that's just how you use the double-sided sticky tape. You can use like Scotch double-sided sticky tape, but like I'm not gonna lie to you, I'd rather spend the $7-8 and you get literally like 5-10 times more tape, and it's really sticky, and they actually stay in the box. Like the double-sided Scotch tape, I think it's like $3, and it just wasn't like working like this does. So I recommend, really recommend. Okay, so in like when I like ship out a nail order, I put in one of these. This is like a Cuticle Pusher. And then I put in one of these mini nail files, so then when they do get their nails, they can, you know, that's like a really good correct way to do it, so then they do stay on as long as you want them to. You pretty much just, you know, whatever they use the Cuticle Pusher, and then they file their nails because, you know, glue here is better to like file nails. So I include that in my packaging. If I ran out, you can also use like alcohol wipes, which those are really nice because then they just clean the fingers and all that. And then the last thing I put in there is nail glue. This is the nail glue I use. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description box below. I believe I spent like $7 on this big old pack, but yeah, I do include nail glue in with like any of my press-on orders, just so they don't have to go out and buy it and it's already in their package. So guys, that's pretty much everything I use for a press-on nail business. I hope this is very helpful, because when I looked up videos, it just like I felt like I felt like I didn't really know what I needed to get still, because like I don't know, I feel like they left out a lot of things. So hopefully this helps you. So I hope your nail business goes amazing, and I would love to hear from you. Comment below something or follow me on Instagram. Everything will be in the description box like I keep saying. But yeah, I hope this was helpful, and yeah, I don't know, check me out if you're ever interested in some press-on nails. Hit me up. I do show how I make press-on nails on my page. I think I have 2 videos as of right now, but I am going to continue showing how I make press-on nails, like certain ones for certain orders, and hopefully they are helpful. But yeah, guys, I hope you stayed for this whole video, and if you did, I love you. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you. And don't forget to subscribe and smack that like button for me, because then it gets my video out there and going, and everybody gets to, you know, see it if they'd like to, or if they're looking for a video just like this, it'll pop up on the side of their little videos and all that. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching.